All right, we got a no AC. And I went downstairs, checked the filter fans running. But let's see what we got going on here. I think it's newer AC from 17. Where's this thing get its power? Oh, we got an interruptible water heater meter. Let's see. Oh, she's a dirty girl. She needs a good cleaning. Let's do some pre-checks here. Pre-checks. See if we got power. Let's see, do we have power? The right setting? Yep. Don't see power. And we'll see if our fuses are good. Fuses are good, no power. Let's, before we, obviously, you don't have no power, so, but let's check a few other things before we get power to it. We got a hose. Got a hose. Got myself a hose, so maybe cleaning. Contactor's pulled in. Check our capacitor while we're here. Check the capacitor. $29.7 5. So we're gonna call that good. It's a 30/5. I got 29.7 and 5. So let me run inside and find out where my power comes from. Well, we found a double pole breaker off downstairs. Now I got my voltage. So no, there's a spigot down there. All right, let's see what you got. There we go. Gonna give her a quick squirt down. I'm not out here for coil cleaning or anything, but let me get the hose. All right, we'll get her cleaned up. Watch out, hose coming through. Let me go get some cleaner and a rag. Simple green. Just give it a nice clean down. Okay, we got her all cleaned up. Took my pressures. Talking on the phone with the rep, but took my pressures and charged good. We got it all cleaned up. Just gave her a quick rinse off. That's all she needed. Didn't need any really deep coil cleaning. It's pretty clean. Well, that was kind of a simple one. We see a lot of these ones that are the disconnects shut off at the beginning of the season. Drives me nuts, but you know, and also costs the customer a service call for something they did in the fall that they forgot about. I mean, you know, there's no reason to shut that power off to the AC in the winter. I mean, I don't know where the thought process came up for that, but people do it, and every year it seems like I'm first part of the season. That's what I'm doing. I'm checking power. First thing I check is power. Well, I mean, that's the first thing I check anyways, but they shut the damn thing off and they forget about it. They get all pissed at me because then they got to pay a service call. But there's nothing you can do. I mean, in instances like that, you know, it's like, well, make sure the coil's clean, check the pressure, check the contact capacitor, make sure everything's good, check the filter. Just kind of run through it. Make sure, you know, at least the customer's getting some value out of it. Other than that, this was just a quick AC call. Early season AC call. You know, I think right now it is 27th of April. I mean, that's way early for us in the cooling season. Usually we're not hitting cooling season until the middle of May. So I mean, we get stragglers here and there. Plus we get the commercial, you know, startups. I was doing commercial startups this morning, new ACs. So I mean, we really don't see air conditioning for about another month. Maybe a few weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks. But I mean, today it's probably going to be close to 80 degrees outside today. So I mean, people are starting to turn the stuff on, which is good. You know, it gets kind of a jump on the season, gets us out. It kind of helps us because right now we're kind of slow. But that is it for this one. We will see you on the next one.